Welcome back. Regardless of what kind of product you're going to be delivering to your customer, one of the things that you can do for your affiliates is to give them the opportunity to see what they will be promoting. If you were delivering video content or even if you were delivering a PDF, you can link to that content on your JV page. This is going to involve uploading a video or sample of your product to a video host like Vimeo. Now, what Vimeo does that is peculiar to this platform is that you can limit the number of places where this video can then be embedded and whether it is considered to be private. Now, assuming that you upload the video to Vimeo, what you can do is you can go to the video settings. And what you can do in terms of privacy is that you can make it so that first, that the video will not be on a review page. You'll then save that element. What you can then do is to set the embed settings. What you can do with the Vimeo video is that you can determine the privacy settings. And what we can do is we can make it so that this video can only be embedded in one place on a specific domain. That means that once we embed the video to our site, this video will not be embeddable to another site. What we can do with Vimeo is we can make it so that the video can be downloadable so that individuals will then be able to show the video to their customers. Even if you don't use the Vimeo video host, you can use these two features to make the video effective for your campaign. Now, one other element that we can add to a Vimeo video is that when the video completes its playing, what we can do is we can create a call to action inside of the video. And in this case, what we can do is to place our affiliate link along with call to action text so that the individual can click on that link if they're using a mobile device and then apply to promote our product. Once we have all the parameters set, we can get the embed code and we can place that embed code in the sample area of our JV website. What we're going to do is we're going to make the video now available. And the sample video is now available on our JV website. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, in some cases, you will have affiliates that promote for you on a regular basis, or affiliates that you know will do extremely well for you if they are going to know what's inside of the product. And so when that's the case, what you're going to want to do is to create either a special version for your affiliates of your product or to give them free or VIP access to your product. So assuming that you would be in a platform like Teachable, you can go inside of your course, and one thing you can do is to duplicate this course for your VIPs or for your affiliates. Another way of having the same effect is to give your affiliates free access to your product. Or yet another way of being able to do it is to give your affiliate a coupon. So in this case, we can go to the coupon area. We're then going to add in a coupon. We're then going to create this specific coupon, and we're going to make the percentage off 100%. We're then going to give the coupon a name. Now, if we're working with a specific individual, we can make it so that this coupon code can only be used one time by one person. We can also make a specific expiry date, although we don't have to do that if we know our affiliate and they are trusted. But when the affiliate goes to the checkout page and they enter the coupon code, they'll then be able to enter the product at no cost so that they can do an effective review of our product. And this is how you can deliver VIP access to some of your top affiliates of the product that they will be promoting. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. You are now inside of the ThriveCart platform. And here where you're going to see certain terms that are going to be used in different ways in different places. When you have an individual that is promoting your product for a sales commission, in ThriveCart, this is called an affiliate. In some cases, the affiliate may be referred to as a JV or joint venture partner. But basically, the affiliate's way of working with you is to take a link, promote the product, and then be paid a sales commission. Within ThriveCart, there is a distinction called JV partners. And this is an individual with whom you are partnering. And that means then that for every sale, this individual will be splitting the profit with you. Typically within any platform, what you're going to do is to create a contract with your potential JV partner. And for example, you're looking at a contract that has been set between a JV partner and the vendor, which in this case would be you. And so this individual will be paid 50% of every sale. However, that 50% will be paid after the affiliate commissions have been deducted for any particular affiliate sale that has been generated. So it's possible that you are working with a partner in order to produce the product. That product can be promoted by affiliates. In this particular case, there will be a payout to the affiliate, and there will also be a payout to your JV partner, who is the person working on the project with you. And so when you hear the term JV or affiliate, you are going to need to clarify the function before you start working with the individual. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, one of the elements that you may want to add to your JV page is going to be a practice that in some cases will be commonly accepted, in other cases may not be in place. It's called a JV document, and typically it is created on a shared document system like Google Docs. And you will have some basic elements on your shared document. If there is a contest, you'll want to communicate it, and you'll see that first here in this area. You will then see access to the JV page, and that will be the JV page on your site. You will want the individual to have access to the affiliate link, and you will see it there listed by this particular vendor. Now, obviously, these links are being grayed out. You will also see that the individual will have a sales page listed here. This is a sample of your sales page so that the affiliate will be able to go to that sales page to see what it will look like when their customer actually goes there. If you choose to have an upsell or a series of upsells, what you can do is you can make those pages available to the individual that will be promoting. And you'll see that listed here. This is what the vendor is calling OTO page. Now in this case, you'll also see that the vendor is giving their affiliates review access. This is something that you can do also. And the individual is providing their contact details on one of the social media platforms. So the JV document will have all the same information, typically that's on your JV page, with the exception of your upsell links so that your customer will be able to look at the link. Now, one thing to note about your sales page and OTO page, you will want to create copies of these pages and place them here on your JV page. Because what you don't want to happen is for individuals to click this link to go to the page where your buy button is and to give you bad statistics. So where you see sales page and OTO page, you typically are going to want to make copies of those pages to make it available in your JV document as well as on your JV site. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, one of the other elements you're going to see here on the JV page is you can include what are called swipes. And swipes are pre-written emails that you're going to write on behalf of your affiliates that they can use as ideas for their email. You can either include them here on the page as an embed, or you can include them in a separate shareable document on a platform like Google Docs. Basically, what you'll be doing is writing out a series of emails for your affiliates to use. And you'll write them so that you determine where you think they're going to place in the link, which is going to be their affiliate link for your product. And typically, you will link out to this same page on your JV document. So for example, assuming that you have a JV document here, you're also going to make sure that you link out to your swipes by putting in the URL that is shareable from your swipe document. Now you're going to want to confirm when you're sharing with the swipe document that you will make sure that the general access is going to be anyone with the link, and that you're using this copy link inside of your documents. Because if you don't, what's going to happen is that individuals are going to come to the link, they're going to need to request access from you in order to see the rest of the document. And of course, you want to avoid that scenario. So regardless of whether you put the link on your JV page or you share it in your JV document, you want to make sure that the link that you're sharing is going to be from this area and that is designated as anyone with the link. And you can access this dialog by going to the share button. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. You're now looking at Muncheye.com, and Muncheye is a place where individuals that have offers where they are looking to recruit affiliates will advertise their offers, and it's free to list on Muncheye. Now, if you look on Muncheye, the vast majority of the offers available are being posted on the Warrior Plus and JV Zoo networks. However, in some cases, you may see the ClickBank network, you may see Pay Kickstart, and other networks. The primary market of affiliate that comes to Muncheye will be the business opportunity or make money online market. And so if you have a business related offer, you can find affiliates by announcing your product by creating a free account on Muncheye. Muncheye will require you to give your product a title. It'll allow you to place images of your product, and then you'll need to write in identifying information about the product. You need to make sure to tell the individuals that will be promoting your product what affiliate network that you'll be using in order to list your product. You'll also be able to declare what niche or market your product is part of. There are similar communities available. One is called the Joint Venture Marketing or Networking Community, or JV Notify Pro, and you can use your favorite search engine to find similar sites. That may take more skill in order to find, but you can go to social media sites to find communities of individuals that are promoting specific products. You'll typically want to start with the search term JV and then do a search within the social media site to begin to look to where there are communities of individuals that are looking for products to promote to their email marketing list. And again, there are forums that you will be able to find by using your favorite search engine. Now, depending on your market or niche, there will be diminishing marginal returns to placing your link everywhere. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to determine which placements bring you the most affiliates and then narrow your placement down to those particular sites. In most cases, the sites where you'll be able to list your product will be free to join and free to list your product. You'll also be able to see what others are doing in order to promote their products. In some cases, by participating and promoting the launch of other individuals that have similar audiences to you, you'll be able to get the attention of people who will be interested in promoting your own product. The key is to find the sites and forum for your particular market where the affiliates who have lists to reach people that your product would satisfy, so that by consistent posting, you'll be able to get their attention with an offer that will suit them. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. As you begin to get the attention of affiliates in order to promote your product, you're going to want to be able to keep in touch with them, even if it's not for your present launch. And you effectively are going to do that with an autoresponder or email service provider by creating a list specifically for the affiliates. You're now looking at MailChimp.com. It's one particular email service provider which you can use. You can also use sites like ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, Aweber, and Constant Contact. You need to choose the one that's suitable for your market or niche and then begin to use it. Now, MailChimp uses the term audience to define a specific list. And basically, what you're going to do is you're going to create a specific list for your affiliates so that you can begin to keep them all in one database, write them emails, and collect them as they decide to promote your product. Now, in most cases, because you're working with affiliates who are already doing email marketing, you may not have to have a double opt-in requirement for them to become part of your list. However, this is something that you can do. Because individuals that are going to be JVs get so many emails, you're probably going to want to indicate in the default from name exactly what the nature of your relationship is going to be. So anything that you can write in identifying about what it is that forms the nature of your relationship with the individual on the email, you should do it. Once you have a list and that list has a specific name, you're then ready to begin integrating it into your affiliate platform. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.